Hey guys, I'm Matt Smith.
And I'm Myron Smith. We're the writers and directors of Young Blood, Evil Intentions. We're here in Louisville, Kentucky at the Fright Night Film Fest promoting the movie. This Saturday, August 3rd, we're going to be shooting a new scene for our film, Invasion of the Killer Cicadas. We're going to be meeting at the Jefferson Plaza at 10 a.m. that day.
We got a lot of fun things planned that afternoon. And if you have any questions, feel free to inbox us. But right now, we got a lot of work doing promoting, so we'll see you there.